Hey class, today we're going to talk about the 3D printing. 3D printing is a process by making three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer based on a digital design. It can also be called additive manufacturing because it builds objects by adding material instead of cutting or shaping them from a larger piece. These are some of the pictures that we have on campus of the 3D printing, and it was my first time seeing one. Two interesting creative possibilities in 3D printing. The first one would be food and edibles. 3D printing isn't just for physical products. There are now 3D printers designed to print food from chocolates to pizzas. This technology allows chefs to design instructive shapes and textures that wouldn't be possible with traditional cooking methods. The second one would be fashion and design. Designers are experimenting with 3D printing to create wearable clothing, accessories, and footwear by using flexible materials. 3D printing could revolutionize the fashion industry with futuristic designs and sustainable production methods.
Common uses of 3D printing. Prototyping and product development. 3D printing is widely used in product development for creating rapid prototypes. This allows designers and engineers to quickly turn their ideas into physical objects that can be tested, refined, and improved before mass production. Medical applications. One of the most exciting uses of 3D printing is medicine. This technology is being used to create prosthetic implants, and even tissues or organs such as hearts.
These are some of the personal interests in 3D printing for me. The first one would be it was invented in the 1980s. 3D printing can make food. It saves lives because doctors use 3D printing, which is kind of interesting to me. I've never seen one, but I would like to. The fourth one would be that it's used in space for musical instruments as well. And one of the most and the biggest important thing for me was that it reduces a lot of waste, which a lot of things it's hard to do it right now.
These are some personal interests I found interesting about 3D printing. Fashion and wearable technology. You can design your own furniture, personalize your own jewelry, 3D print your own food, even 3D print your own cars, or even 3D print your own smart home. Thank you.